Okay, here's the first video. On the first one, we're going to check this measurement between wires. We don't have the exact ball size. We have something much smaller, so our readings are not going to be real. But and the real readings would actually work nicer because these small balls don't do the greatest job of squaring up in such a large tooth. But it's better when you're demonstrating this to have something too small than too big, which basically is what I was deciding between. So I put a preset in here. I'm not exactly sure where we're at because we don't have anything to set the gauge, but it'll work for the demonstration. As we move around and check different teeth, we're going to get different numbers, but if we come back to the same tooth, we should get the same number. So let's start with this reference point right up here at the top. This little mark right here, I know it's one of two sets of teeth. I've got two bolts on the table. One's right here, and then there's another one on the back side to help me guide. And we're going to go ahead and zero out at that point. So if we come back to that same point right here, we get the same exact number within 50 millionths or so. As we move this around, again, here's that second bolt. You come in and you can check different spots. So in this case, you can see at that point, we're about 7 10,000ths, 6.5 10,000ths away from where we started. You could quickly go around, check a handful of different sizes. And once again, when you get to your original point, which was right here, come back in and check that again. We're right at 645, again, within 50 millionths of an inch. We're gonna set the gauge up now to check this inside diameter. We could use it with the same type of contact points, but these would have to be modified a little bit to work. So we're gonna use our small diameter heads instead of these larger ones for that measurement. So you'll see some changes on the next setup.